Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video lesson, we're going to be making a Zentangle. Now, a Zentangle is a picture that is filled up with lots of different lines and designs. It can be different patterns, shapes, things like that. Now, for this project, you guys are going to need a pencil, something to draw on, such as like a piece of paper, an eraser, and you also need something to color with. I would recommend markers, but if you don't have those, you can use colored pencils or crayons. So, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Now, a Zentangle is a picture that is filled up with lots of different types of lines and designs. And before you can start that, you actually want to draw a picture on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to place a picture right in the middle here, and I'm just going to draw a simple little piece of pizza. So I'm going to go ahead and make this right in the middle of my paper. So here's my design. It's just a very simple piece of pizza, nothing too fancy. And I didn't want to add a ton of details in here because I'm going to be filling up lots of designs in here. Now my next step is I want to add all of my different designs in here. Now when it comes to Zentangles, you can do lots of different things. You can make all sorts of different designs in here, different types of line patterns, different little pieces of line work, anything you guys want to do. So try some different types of lines. Do some wavy lines, do zigzag lines, do anything you want to. Try different shapes and stuff in here. But just the biggest thing is to make sure that there are lots of different designs. So I'm going to go ahead and fill up all these little pieces of pepperoni with some different designs. Now, once you've filled in this main area, then you're going to want to fill in the rest of the area with lots of different designs. And because I don't have a whole lot of different spaces in here, I'm just going to go ahead and add lots of different designs into different sections in here and just kind of really fill it up. Now, once you're done with your pizza Zentangle, or whatever type of Zentangle you decide to create, the next thing is to add the background on here. Now, when adding the background, you want to choose at least 2 colors. And you could do more than 2, but you want to have at least 2 colors in here. And what you're going to do is you're going to create a interesting background with this. Now, to do this, what you want to do is I'm just going to take a marker and I'm going to trace right around the edge of my pizza here. So you're just going to take it and you're going to trace around the entire edge of your pizza with your marker. You want to get nice and close to the line, best you can. I like to use the side here so I get a fatter line. You don't want to use the tip of your marker or else you're just going to have a really skinny line and it's going to take you forever. So the first thing is to draw your line right around there. Next, once you're done with that, I'm going to take my next color and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put this orange right next to here and I'm going to trace right around here using my orange. And I'm going to use a 3-color pattern, so I'm going to go with red. So I'm using all these warm colors here. And I'm just going to do the same thing. Use the side of my marker, try to get right up next to it. If it has a little bit of white space, that's fine. But I'm going to go ahead and just trace right around here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to repeat this pattern all the way around here. And what it's going to do is it's going to get bigger and bigger and it's going to fill up the entire space here. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of repeat this pattern and just fill this up. And there you go. There is your drawing of your pizza, your Zentangle pizza with the nice colorful background on there. All you want to do is just keep layering all these different marker patterns just to create a nice little pattern that goes all the way around and bring it all the way to the edge of your paper. But there you go. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed.